So here we are on the roof of our majestic property, and this is all Ranthambore National Park. It is situated right in the park. Surrounded by dense jungle. So guys, very good morning from Ranthambore National Park. So now we are in Castle Jhumar Bauri. That is the only hotel that is located inside the national park because it is run by RTDC, Rajasthan Tourism Development Corporation. So this is the original castle where Maharajas of Jaipur used to come. Basically it was a hunting lodge. So when they were coming for hunting in this area, then they were staying here. And it goes by this winding road. This road is inside forest for like 2 to 3 kilometers. And before that there is a gate where you have to give your identity, and only then you can enter this national park. And down below there you see that is the parking area, and in the night you are not allowed to go even to parking because wild animals can be here. And basically I was told by the staff this is a territory of a leopard. As you can see, this is dense jungle here. So of course in the night it was very dark, and it is not advisable at all to go down even to that parking. But facilities wise and hospitality wise, this is wonderful and economical. So we are waiting for second is safari to Ranthambore National Park. Today we have got range number 1. So we will head to range number 1. We are waiting for our canter. So after having a wonderful morning safari and having sighted a beautiful tiger, that was 3-year-old tiger, we are back to our hotel, Castle Jhumar Bauri. So we just had our breakfast, and now I was in room, but now I've upgraded to a suite for the second night because the plan is to stay here for 2 nights. So tomorrow again we will do another safari. So before we do that, I will just give you a room tour. First I'll show you the room and then the suite to which we have upgraded in this Castle Jhumar Bauri run by RTDC. This is the parking area that you see behind me. This is jungle. This is the heritage building. So this was our room before, 102. It's on the first floor. So when you enter the room, it's like this. Enough of space, and because it's a classic architecture, you can see all this Allahs and all where they used to put candles before. So plenty of space here. We have just checked out, so it's not in the best of conditions, but you will have very good ideas to the interiors of this room. So here is the room. Toilet was spacious, and then there is running hot water, cold water, everything, and all towels and everything is provided for. So now we are gonna go to the suite. So these are the kind of stairs that are not very wide, and so these are the suites. So this is the common area for the suites. Very Rajasthani decor, very classic. So here is the common area of this castle, and then there are 2 suites. So now our suite is leopard suite. So as you open the door, first you get this extra room. that has these sofas in place. Again, plenty of space. You can put your things, belongings up there if you want extra. And then there is refrigerator. Then there is some table to write that we don't need, so I put my baggage here. So here, then you come inside. Then there is a big mirror. And this is very, very classic etching. Small paintings. And then to do brush, there is separate. This was not existent in the room. Now it is in the suite available. Toilet. And here bathroom is separate, because there it was joined, but here toilet is separate and bathroom is separate. And this is the bedroom of leopard suit, and this come extra. And then to justify the name, they have leopard also here on the pillowcases as well as on the bed sheets. And children are very happy to find leopard in their bedroom. And these are very, very classic small windows that we never seen.
And we can also open them.
Yeah, you can open. So you can open like this. They open like this. And down there is straight jungle, and you can have the fresh air and listen to the chirping of the birds. And in the morning I showed you there were a lot of deer here. So they will just outside your window, because the suit just faces jungle. And there are small 1, 2, 3, 4 windows here, and 2 are up there, so 6 ventilation points. And then there is a bell also for service. So very, very classy, cozy, nice. So this is about the leopard suit. So to tell you about the price, you will be wondering. So for the room, it is 5,400 as of now per night, and that is inclusive of your all the meals plus tea. So breakfast, lunch, dinner is included in this price for the room. And if you live in this suite, then it will be 7,400. Again, all the meals are included. And if there is a, both of the occupants are women, or there are disabled persons, or some government officials, then there is 25 to 30% of discount in the room rate that they give. This is offered by RTDC. So this is a very, very classic property. Anytime here you're in Ranthambore, first of all, it is government. So prices are very transparent, and food is wonderful. They have a lot of variety of veg and non-veg fare. So no problem, and very, very beautiful lawn to sit out and enjoy your lunch, dinner, breakfast. So this is about this Jhumar Baudi run by RTDC, a review. And I think this is the best property to stay here in Ranthambore. So this Oberoi, Uday Vilas, Taj, all these hotels are there in that direction. And this is perched at the top of a hill. But it is the original castle. That's why situation is just knock on. With such a spot on situation, you can have fun. It is December, very, very cold in Delhi. Sun is out. And this is for evening get-togethers when you are with friends.
This is a tiger.
And yesterday when we were having our dinner, just behind the wall I will show you, there was a leopard. So these hotel employees, they gathered around to take photos of it, and then it ran away swiftly. So I'll show you the place where it happened. So there we were having our dinner yesterday, and then behind that red wall there was a leopard. Because it was night, so I couldn't shoot. But this hotel is right inside the forest, so lot of animal movement happens.